Hi, fourth graders. I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a Google slide deck and how to make a copy of a Google document so that you can publish your work. So right here, you all can see on my screen that I am in my Drive. So here it says Google Drive up on the side, which you can always get to from the waffle here. If you click on the waffle, it has all of your Google programs, and Drive is right here. So once I'm in Drive, this is where I find all of my documents, either things that I've shared with you or um, assignments that you've done in the past. So what I'm going to show you is how to make a copy first of a slideshow. So here's our schedule. Here's our Thanksgiving writing. So a lot of you saw this on the Monday slide, and it will also be on our slide deck for this week. And it says 4 Kleinman Thanksgiving options. In order to access the video that's here and the templates, you need to go up to File, and you need to say right here, it says Make a Copy, and you're going to make a copy of the entire presentation. And I'm going to click that entire presentation. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to put in my name, Kim's 4KL Thanksgiving writing options, and I'm going to hit OK. And you're going to see that it's going to make a copy. So here was the original one, and I'm going to close that so that I make sure I don't write on it. And now I have the one that is my own. So you would put your name up in the top. Okay, now you're able to click on things. Let it load. There we go. You can click on things that will open that you can look at. Okay, and these are just examples. Okay, so this is something you wouldn't write on, but it's just to look at. Okay, for that one. And then I might go to a template. All of these templates I actually provided for you in your papers that you took home on Friday. So you have all this. But just so you can see it here too, if you wanted to type a plan, you could type a plan. Okay, but now here's the thing. If you wanted to type on this document, you could make a copy of it to make sure that you're not typing on the original. So again, I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Make a Copy. And again, in the front, I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to put my name. Okay, so I know this one's mine, and I say OK. Now I can go to the original, I can close it, and here's the one with my name on it. Okay, if I go back to Google Drive, you're going to see I can click right here for Recent, and here's my Kim's Opinion Persuasive Guide. And here's my Kim's Thanksgiving writing options. So it's in my recent, that means I had used it in the last day or two. It's going to show up here in my Google Drive. It'll show up if you click My Drive too. I just have so many things in here that it's going to show. It'll be here, but it's all the way at the bottom of my list. And you guys don't have nearly as many things in your Drive as I do. So if you go to Recent, that's one of the easiest ways to find something that you were working on. Okay, another thing I want to show you is I'm going to, at times, assign to you, I'm going to give you a link like this of a Google Doc. Okay, so Lifted Writing November 2020. And there's a link to this in your, it's going to be here on your agenda. There's going to be a link for your Lifted Writing. Once you open this, this is really important. It says first make a copy. I'm going to go up here, File, Make a Copy. Again, I'm going to get rid of Copy Of, and I'm going to put in Kim. And I'm going to hit OK. And now you can see that right here in the little tab, it says Kim's Lifted Writing. And here was the original. I'm going to close it. I'm going to get rid of it because I only want to write on the one that has my name on it. Okay, so it says first make a copy. Done that. It says then share with me. So I'm going to go over here. Do you see this blue button? I'm going to click share. And in the box, I'm going to put in Kim.Kleinman. It should eventually, once you do this once or twice, I'm going to pop up immediately. So it's this bottom one here that says Kimberly Kleinman. And you can see my little picture there. And then I click send. Now what happens is that shows up in my inbox. So I go back here and I go to shared with me. And the document that you just made, so you can see how Mrs. Roberts has shared things with me, my friend Kathy, Miss Annie has shared things with me. So when somebody shares something with me, it shows up in the shared with me file. So that's why you want to do that. Okay, so I've got up here, it says Kim Lifted Writing. So I know it's my own copy. It says, okay, first make a copy. I did that. Then it says, then share with me. Okay, I got that. It says, please do not change the font or the size of the text. Okay? You're not changing anything. You're leaving it exactly as it is. If you change the font or add color, I will change it back. All I want you to do is publish your writing. We will get creative on Google Docs at another time, but I don't want you to change anything on your Google Doc. You're going to leave it just as it is. It says here, now erase these directions and start publishing your lifted writing. Use the tab key on the left to indent your first paragraph. So I'm going to highlight all of this and I'm going to hit delete. And I'm going to go to the left side. I see the tab key. I'm going to hit tab and I just indented. And I'm going to start my story. Once upon a time. This is actually in bold. It shouldn't be, so I'm going to take it off. Once upon a time, there was an amazing fourth grade class. And I'm going to start typing my story. And you're going to see as I keep typing, it just rolls on. I don't have to do anything else. I'm going to keep typing, and you can see my indent there and how I just keep typing, and it's going to help me build my paragraph. And you're just going to keep typing into the document until you're done. Once you're done, you don't have to share it. It's already been shared. If you can't remember if you share, you click share, and you can see that my name is here. That means it's been shared with me. So you can see anybody you've shared your document with, it's going to be listed. Many kids ask me, can I share this with my parents? Of course you can. But right now, I want you to just focus on sharing with me. Okay? So that is how you make a copy of a slide deck, if you need to do that, and how you make a copy of a Google Doc.